Hi friends, happy Wednesday. So today we're going to make a volcano. Now this isn't going to be your typical volcano. We're going to make a lemon volcano. And how do we do that? Let's find out. As for materials, all you need are 2 lemons. If you don't have 2 lemons, 1 will do. You just have to slice it in half. You need a spoon, some baking soda, food coloring, any color will do, some dish soap, a small cup for your lemon juice, and a knife. Let's get started. Now the first thing you're gonna do is take a lemon, you can place your other one to the side, cut the bottom off of your lemon just so that the lemon will sit flat onto your tray. You can cut the other end off because you're gonna core out the center. Have it sit nicely and then use your knife, or you can use a craft stick to core out the center. Kind of like a grapefruit. Just wanna make a little hole in the middle. Be careful friends, because you might have a little bit of lemon juice flying around. You don't want to get any lemon juice in your eyes. So there you go. Now you have a hole and a little bit of lemon juice. Place your lemon down and grab another lemon. I can move this over here. You're going to cut this lemon in half because you're going to use this for some lemon juice. Once you have your lemon, you're gonna squeeze, you're gonna use your fine motor skills to squeeze your lemon juice into the cup. Whoa! Squeeze it. Keep squeezing so you can get a good amount of lemon juice in there. You can use both lemons. But as I said before, if you only have 1 lemon, then you're gonna use a half of the lemon to cut out the core and for your volcano, and use the other half for lemon juice. Gonna keep squeezing, and there you have some lemon juice. Now that you have your lemon juice prepared, grab your cored lemon, place it in the middle, grab your food coloring, add a few drops of color to the middle of your lemon. Grab your dish soap, add about a few drops. Get your spoon, get a teaspoon of baking soda, place that in the middle of your lemon. Oh, do you start to hear it? Grab your lemon juice and pour it onto your lemon, and let's see what happens. There it goes, friends. What is it doing? Is it erupting like a volcano? That is one awesome volcano. You can use your knife kind of mix all the juices together, and then it'll start to erupt even more. It'll cause more of a reaction. Keep adding. Wow. Keep adding your lemon juice. Now what causes the lemon to erupt or have a chemical reaction? It's the combination of baking soda and lemon juice. When you combine them together, they make something called carbon dioxide, or a gas. It causes it to bubble and to fizz. Pretty interesting? That's what I thought too, friends. Have a great day.